my gosh, you can see there's some of the ride pieces there. I don't know if you can see it there in the distance. I'll zoom in on it, but there's some of the Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger ride pieces. Should I say the ride tracks? Not really the pieces. There was probably some pieces, but it's mostly ride track. But there it is right there in the background. See, say hi. Say hi real quick. Hello. The ride's coming along. It looks nearly finished.
I don't know if it's just the fact that I have never seen a coaster built, or I've just never seen the progress of it before my eyes, you know, being able to witness it myself. But this coaster has come together so quickly from when it was announced last year. It's just blowing my mind how fast they can get these things up. Like, they do still have to do the landscaping, yeah, I know, but this thing is looking just absolutely amazing. There's where the track ends there. I don't know how much more they have, but by the looks of everything they have done, it doesn't seem like it's too much more, so I think we're right on track to open this summer.
They got a crane coming down right here. Ever so slowly. Making progress. There's not too much else to do here. I think they just have to finish out the last of the loop to the station, which I believe is maybe right there in that building. I'm not too sure yet. Here, just near the construction, you can see a little bit of a dilapidated sort of logo there on the ground, right mixed into the construction. This really looks a whole lot more amazing with the widescreen on. Guys coming down in the crane. Progress. Progress. Oh, you see that logo down there? Isn't that cool? Can't really do a size comparison or anything, but boy, is that one steep drop. Look at that drop. Do you want to ride this ride? You want to ride this ride? No way. That'll be the day. I can't wait. Boy, that show building is a former husk of itself. It is not nearly what it was before. But you just like that logo, don't you? There's another angle of that sort of unfinished track area there. Not sure how much more is left, but if I had to guess, this is about 75% done. The landscaping isn't finished, but a lot of it's good to go. That is the official color scheme if y'all haven't seen it already. I know the likes of Spooky Laters and Quirky Coaster Couple and others have come out here to do an update, but this is my update. Kind of giving my perspective on it. And I really appreciate you guys watching, I really do. I'm so excited. I just want to give a shout out to those people I mentioned, because they are actually doing really good things at SeaWorld and Six Flags, and not only that, but they cover all kinds of other things. So go check out their channel. I'll link them down below. Say go subscribe to them. Say subscribe to me if you haven't already. Say hi. Hi. Whoa, so loud. Oh. It's like leaning, you can't even tell, but it's like leaning on one side because I'm like 200 pounds. My daughter's like 30 or something. Hi! She loves saying hi. We're getting high up here. Oh no, you gotta stay in. Stay in. Part 2, you see those cowboys over there? See the cowboys? Some goofy cowboys. You guys have been there for as long as I can remember. That poor horse. He's not gonna catch a break. Look at his tug out. It's like the Old West. Up here you get an interesting view of some of the facade up here. I will cheat 'em. Attorney at law. Get a good shot of some of the rides up here. Whoa!
And we'll be trying some of that anti-aging tonic here very soon, I'm sure. But more or less you're going to be seeing this steampunk theming all around the Cliffhanger when it does open. But I'm very excited. Also, the railroad is closed due to the construction, considering it's right next to the train tracks. And I will be doing everything I can to be here during the soft opening, because I would love more than anything to be one of the first on this glorious ride.
Say hi. Say hi. You can see everything from up here. Look at that. See the roller coasters?
All Six Flags rides and attractions.
Are you driving the car? What sound does the car make? Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Oh, it's relaxing. She wanted to stop to look at the car. Are you saying hi to the car? Hello, car. Hello. Oh, no, I need to clean my lens. I think it got wet in the wagon because we spilled a little bit of drink. So cool. You like that car? What color is it? Red. I heard red. Woo, that brings an end. Hi. Continue to do updates on Dr. Diabolical's Cliffhanger leading up to its opening. So keep an eye out for that. Have a lot of good things in store this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, all that mess. But with that being said, have a good day.